Here I am, early in the morning. Well, for me, usually if I'm out at this time, it's at appointments, not getting eagles, but here we are. Just gonna get some video first out here before I do a live. Oops. I don't know how to fix the camera so it's clearer, but we got 1, 2, 3. Some of them are not adults yet, so they don't have their little white heads. Let me try walking. Okay. Whoops, there's the sun. There we go. That's one. This is just the coolest thing. There's one above. Okay, the one on my left. There's one above him. Then there's that one. There's one over here somewhere. What's the time? Well, we don't need that much water. It's actually kind of pretty.